Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to call Gemini Assistant. To begin, ensure you have the Gemini app installed on your mobile device or access it through a compatible Google service. Once open, you can initiate a conversation by simply tapping the microphone icon for voice input or the keyboard icon to type your query. It's designed for intuitive interaction. There are several ways to get started with Gemini. For mobile users, the dedicated Gemini app offers a streamlined experience. On other devices, you might find Gemini integrated directly into Google Assistant, allowing for seamless interaction. Additionally, you can access Gemini through your web browser by visiting its official page, making it widely available. Once you've accessed Gemini, interacting with it is straightforward. If you prefer voice, simply speak your questions or commands clearly and naturally. For text-based interactions, type your prompts into the chat box. Remember, the clearer and more specific your input, the better Gemini can understand and respond to your needs, providing more accurate information. To get the most out of Gemini, experiment with its advanced features like summarizing documents or generating creative content. Always provide clear and concise instructions to guide its responses effectively. And speaking of things that make life better, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. For a link to some amazing socks with a lifetime warranty and other great deals, check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.